Hey guys, welcome in this another video. My name is Ashish Patel, and you are watching Mr. Technical Hacker YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to hack Google Chrome Dinosaur game. So let's start.
Access granted.
First step. Make sure your internet connection is disconnected. After disconnect your internet connection, open your Chrome browser. After open your Chrome browser, type there Chrome Dino and hit enter button. When Dinosaur game open, first you play game until your game over. After the game is over, right-click anywhere on your screen, and click on Inspect option. When open Inspect option, then go to Console panel. There you can see a blank tab in Console panel. Type here this one line of code. The code is appear on your screen. After write the code, press enter button. And here you hack your game successfully. Let's check your hack is work or not. Close this tab or minimize it. Now restart your game. And here your game hack successfully. Now enjoy the game. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and be the member of Mr. Technical Hacker family.